Guys, welcome back to my channel. I got some packages today, so let's do an unboxing together. Start with this first bag. Oh, they wrapped it twice. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are the hats that I got me and my best friend. I got us some matching Kuromi hats. Look how adorable. It's a bucket hat with little Kuromi ears, and it has a little Kuromi patch here. Look how adorable that is. Let me try it on. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Could be the second one that I got from my best friend. Yep. Here's the other one. Same thing. Same exact thing. So I got two of these. Super adorable. Let's check out this bag now. I can't open this one. I got me and my best friend matching Kuromi hoodies. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Look at this hoodie. It's like a cropped hoodie with Kuromi on it. And check out the bag. So cute. My best friend loves Kuromi, and I love Kuromi too, of course. So I had to get it for us. Next thing I got her is a matching shirts. Check it out. My Melody and Kuromi together. How cute. Now let's open the box. Let's see if my nail can rip this. Yes, it could. Okay, in here, they have my shirt. Same one that I showed you guys to match with my bestie boo. And then this other item I'm super excited about. You know, I'm a 90s kid, and I always wanted a Von Dutch hat when I was younger. This is my first one. And it has some bling on it. Super cute. What do you guys think? I love it. It's adorable. Maybe I'll wear it today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and leave a comment down below which item's your favorite, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.